Hello traders, this is Forex Nelson. I'm back again today with another 5 trades. Today's date is September the 21st and I'm using my new Super Scalper trading system. Today I decided to trade just the futures and the indexes. But keep in mind that you can trade anything that your broker offers you using the Super Scalper trading system. This is the Super Scalper. It's an advanced moving average, which will give you buy and sell signals along with audio alerts. So you will get 2 different alerts. If you buy the packages that contain the super signal indicator, that's the one with the arrows here. It really helps to find the beginning of the up and down cycles within the market. Now this is great for traders who love to scalp the markets, especially on the 5-minute time frame. So what I do every morning at 6 o'clock, right where this vertical line is, I'm in front of the charts looking at all the different instruments. I also take a look at my daily trade plan. And once I make a decision whether I want to be buying or selling, I just manually put in this white arrow. Now here is the daily trade plan running in real time. It analyzes the charts all the way from the monthly rate down to the 30 minutes. So gone are the days you have to start looking at higher time frames. This tells me right away if I should be buying and or selling. And then within the comments, it'll either say look for bearish trades or look for bullish trades, and some of them will actually say preferred. Now if you're trading without some kind of a daily trade plan, well, that's one good reason why you are failing. As my mentor told me many years ago, huge percentage of traders fail because they have no trading plan. So it's very important that you have some kind of a daily trade plan. And of course, if you have any questions about the daily trade plan, well, just Skype me. So now we can take a look at some of these trades I've taken. First one was the S&P 500. Let's see where I got in at. Well, first thing for sure, the trade qualified for a great way to trade. So what I ended up doing was taking a trade. There was my super signal telling me to sell. Daily trade plan said to sell. So I sold it here. And keep in mind when I'm closing out the trades, all I do is I look at the totals down here. And once I know that I have 200 or more pips and ticks, well, then I just close out the trades wherever the trades may be at and call it a day. I don't know about you, but 200 pips and ticks a day is more than enough for me. So what I did was I taken the money and divided it by 5. Calculator says it should be 30. And looks like it's going to give me a bit of a hard time here. That's as close as I'm going to be able to show you. But it's 30 ticks and that paid out $150. Okay, moving on to the next trade, which is gold. Gold pays $10 for each tick. Wanted to be selling it. There's the arrow from the daily trade plan. Did qualify for a great way to trade. Plus there's the super signal indicator. Red arrow. Took the trade at this point. Should have closed it out over here, but I closed it out when I was happy with the overall totals. So calculator, or just looking at the money, this should be 20, actually 20.8. There's 20.9, that's about as close as I'm going to get. I just rounded out, well, let's just say it's 20 ticks and that paid out $208. Okay, moving on to the next trade, which is the Dow Jones. This one pays $5 for each tick. So I took the money, divided it by 5, calculator says it should be 54 ticks, so let's see where I got in at. Another one qualified for a great way to trade. Arrows from the daily trade plan. And a super signal from way back here was saying to sell. And every one of these trades I've shown you so far, and even the scalper, the super scalper, remember, yellow selling, blue is buying. So everything was saying to sell, and like I said, calculator says it should show 54. There it is right there, 54 ticks, and that paid out $270. Okay, moving on to the next trade, which is the Russell. Russell pays $10 for each tick. Looking at the money, well, this should be 83. Arrow from the daily trade plan, arrows from the super signal. Even the scalper said to sell. Easy decision to make to sell. Now remember, when you pull the trigger, it's just not going to immediately go in your favor. But sometimes it goes sideways, sometimes it goes up a bit. But I knew eventually it was going to give me another cycle. I call that the flow of the market. So let's see, this should be 83. There it is right there. 83 ticks, and that paid out $830. Okay, moving on to the last trade, which is crude oil. This one pays $10 for each tick. The scalper said to buy, blue arrow, arrow from the daily trade plan. So let's see where I got in at. Just drag and drop this up. So everything was looking good. Matter of fact, I took the trade at this cursor right here. And looking at the money, this should be 141 as it pays $10 for each tick. There it is right there. 141 ticks. And that paid out for $1,410. So another great day of trading using my super scalper. Added up all the ticks. I knew it was going to be over 200, and it is. Total came to 328 ticks, and that paid out $2,868. So if your system's not producing like my super scalper, I recommend you get your hands on it, and don't forget about the daily trade plan. Now if you are interested in buying, or if you have any questions before you buy, quite simple. All you got to do is get in contact with me. And to do so, all you got to do is look right below this video. Okay, let's say that this is the video. As I mentioned, all you got to do is look right below the video. This banner that I'm highlighting, all you got to do is click anywhere on it. Quite simple, just click on it, opens up another window. And then as you scroll down, what I do prefer is Skype. Of course, all you got to do is click on this link. Had a trader, more than one trader actually, say they don't have Skype. Well, if you have a computer or a cell phone or a tablet, you have Skype. When you click on this link, we'll have a Skype connection, and at that point I can answer your questions. Keep in mind, there's 4 things you need to succeed at trading. You're going to need a lot of chart time, a lot of demo trading, a lot of education, and you're going to need a daily trade plan. Now when you buy from me, I do give support. After all, I'm sure you'll have a few questions, and somebody's got to be able to answer your questions. Now if you leave your name and email address, I'll put you on my email list for free weekly trading tips. Now as you scroll down, you'll see that there's 4 packages. I do charge $250 each package, and I do have a special offer. If you buy 2 packages, I'll give you 1 package for free. And no matter what you buy off of me, I'll include a free Skype session on how to trade my system. I'll answer your questions, and surely that alone should help your education. So here are the 4 packages. I have a special offer. If you buy any 2 packages, I'll give you 1 for free. Now I do have another special offer. If you buy package 1 or 2 or 3, and for $50 more, so that means it'll be $300, I'll give you the package 4, Easy Trader System. Now as you scroll down, you'll see each package and what I teach within it. I teach plenty of ways to trade the market, and this is going to help you a lot. The more ways you learn how to trade the market, the better you will be as a trader. As you continue to scroll down, how I trade live. I wanted to point out that the Super Scalper, I added 2 more videos. Used to be 22, now it's 24. And the other videos I go and show a lot of excellent trading tips. Same thing on this one, how I trade live. And of course the Easy Trader used to be 4 training videos, now it's 6. And of course how I trade live used to be 20 and now it's 22. And each one of those videos is about 40 minutes long. Those 2 bonus videos are 40 minutes long approximately. The bulk of the videos though are roughly up to 30 minutes long, except for the 2 bonus videos. And of course the daily trade plan has 4 training videos focusing on the EA, and of course Super Signal, as I mentioned, has 6 training videos. The latest one I did, which was only about a week ago, maybe 2 weeks ago, how to back test any system with the Super Signal indicator. This is a must-have. Highly recommend you get the 2 videos on how to backtest any system with the Super Signal indicator. Now if you have any questions or if you want to buy, simple, pick up the phone and call me. Here's my number. I live in Cambridge, Ontario, Canada. You can also send me an email. Keep in mind I really do prefer Skype, as I'd rather talk than do a lot of typing. Now I wanted to mention that it does take me about 2 weeks to do all the videos in each package. Spend many hours due to the fact that I don't want to work for free. So once you buy it, you have it, you own it. There's no way I can take it back. So for that reason, please note that there are no refunds. So just about time to wrap up this video. And of course, if you like the video, please give it a thumbs up and please subscribe to my YouTube channel. So until the next trading day and video, I want to wish you good luck with your trading, and remember to keep yourself and your family safe. Okay, bye for now.